Hey guys, today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Fotiv BTH3 over-the-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones with built-in mic and 12-hour battery. And it includes hard travel case. It's $49.95 if you're a Prime member at Amazon. If not, you would have to pay the list price, which is $119.95. Again, it's $49.95 if you're a Prime member. So we're just gonna do the unboxing. Just show you how this thing looks like. Wireless range, all right, 33 feet wireless range. Okay, again, it's Bluetooth. Rechargeable batteries, 15 hours of playtime, 3 hours of charging, music plus call. So you can use this to answer calls. Case included. Now, where are you made from? It says New Jersey. Okay. Okay, so what's inside this thing? Okay. Whoop. Nice, comes with a case. Nice hard case right here. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Whoa. Alright, so it's empty. Okay, it comes with a user guide right here. So, basically that's what's inside right there. That's basically it. these cables. Micro USB cable. USB right there. And if let's say you ran out of batteries and you want to use it, so you can just plug it in. Then it's wired, right? It's one of those flat wire. Tangle free. So that's that. Now let's check out these headphones. That's the mic right there. Play, pause, forward, volume, power button, the USB connection to charge it up, and that's where this part here is where you connect it to use the wire. If you run out of battery or while this thing is charging, you can use this, right? It's very flexible. That's a faux leather. Okay. And it stretches really wide. And you can adjust this. Cool. And you can stretch it even further if you have a big head. I mean, literally a big head. Alright. Pairing, I'm sure it's easy. It's in the manual, so just use oh, okay, so it's labeled. There's left and there's right. Okay guys, that's it for my unboxing of the Fotiv BTH3 over-your-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones. Again, if you go to Amazon right now, it'll only cost you $49.95 if you're a Prime member. Don't forget to subscribe to my other baby videos.